Plant FAQs, Begonia Burning Bush. The Begonia Burning Bush. A conversation with Ferb. Hi everyone, Ferb here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Begonia Burning Bush. This stunning plant has captured the hearts of many with its fiery foliage and charming flowers. Over the years, I've fielded many questions about this unique begonia. So, let's address some of the most common ones and explore what makes the burning bush such a captivating houseplant. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a begonia burning bush? The begonia burning bush is a captivating hybrid known for its dramatic foliage. Unlike its more delicate begonia cousins, the burning bush boasts a shrub-like form with deep, reddish-bronze, oval leaves. The undersides of the leaves often showcase a stunning maroon hue, adding another layer of visual interest. What kind of flowers does the begonia burning bush have? The beauty of the burning bush extends beyond its leaves. This begonia produces delicate pink flowers, with the female flowers boasting a two-toned effect, a combination of dark rosy pink and light pink. While not as showy as the foliage, the flowers add a touch of femininity to the plant's overall look. Is the begonia burning bush easy to care for? The begonia burning bush is a relatively easygoing houseplant, making it a great choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Light. The burning bush prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as this can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your begonia burning bush when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. While the burning bush doesn't require extremely high humidity levels, it thrives in moderately humid environments. Grouping your begonia with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more suitable environment. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix for your begonia burning bush. A mixture specifically formulated for African violets often works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your begonia burning bush with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 2 to 4 weeks. How big does a begonia burning bush get? The begonia burning bush is a relatively compact plant, typically reaching a height of 12 to 18 inches and a spread of 12 to 15 inches. However, with proper care, it can grow even larger over time. Does the begonia burning bush come in other colors? While the classic deep reddish-bronze foliage is the most common, there may be some slight variations in color depending on the specific cultivar and growing conditions. However, unlike many other begonias, the burning bush doesn't boast a wide variety of color options. Is the begonia burning bush toxic to pets? Unfortunately, like many begonias, the burning bush is considered toxic to pets and humans if ingested. It's important to keep this plant out of reach of curious animals and young children. How is the begonia burning bush different from a regular begonia? There are several key differences between the begonia burning bush and other begonias. Growth habit. The burning bush has a more shrub-like growth habit compared to the trailing or cascading varieties commonly found in begonias. Foliage. The burning bush is known for its dramatic, dark-colored foliage, while many begonias boast green or variegated leaves. Flowering. While the burning bush produces delicate pink flowers, some begonias are known for their large, showy blooms in various colors. Can I propagate the begonia burning bush? Absolutely. The begonia burning bush can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a stem cutting with at least 2 nodes, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a pot with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect light. With proper care, your stem cutting should root and develop into a new begonia burning bush. Where can I buy a begonia burning bush? You can find begonia burning bushes at many online retailers and garden centers. Look for a reputable source that sells healthy, established plants. Final thoughts on the begonia burning bush. The begonia burning bush is a captivating addition to any indoor space. Its stunning foliage and delicate flowers create a dramatic focal point, while its relatively easy care requirements make it a great choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a unique and conversation-starting houseplant, the begonia burning bush might be the perfect choice for you.